gardens and film settings. अब हम जा रहे हैं fountains, gardens और film settings देखने. Are you ready? Left side, it's musical glow garden. One can enjoy musical glow garden during carnivals. Carnival के time में enjoy किया जा सकता है. Next carnival is about to start from 25th of the September to 2nd November. Right side, 2-in-1 garden. From outside it looks like Delhi's Mughal garden and from inside Mysore's Vrindavan garden. You can see this in Jodha Akbar, Suryavansham. इंसान मूवी में भी देख सकते हैं. PS1, PS2, Raja movie. It is used for pre-wedding shoots and royal weddings. On the left side is Sierra Garden, famous for group songs and romantic songs. Dirty Picture, Ulala song, यहीं पे शूट किया गया है. Telugu movie July, O Madhu song, and Malayalam Darling Darling has been shot here. Right side is Angel Fountain with Greek architecture. This is the tallest fountain of Ramoji Film City. Ramoji Film City का सबसे ऊंचा fountain. You can see this in All the Best, Sunday and Khadkam movie. Left side, the black color stage and the garden, Limelight Garden. Perfect for corporate events and award ceremonies. Capacity of the garden is 2,500 people at a time. Rockstar movie, O Nadan Parinde song, इसके अंदर शूट किया गया है. Dilwale movie, the last church climax scene, and Son of Satyamurthy, the marriage scene, is being shot inside the Limelight Garden. Left side top everyone, left side ऊपर देखिए. लेफ्ट ऊपर हवा महल मॉडल्ड ऑन राजस्थानी थीम. ये रामोजी फिल्म सिटी का हवा महल है. From there one can have a panoramic view of the entire Ramoji Film City.
लेके जाएंगे क्या?
In between the tour आपको वहाँ पे drop किया जाएगा. You'll be having a dropping at Hawa Mahal in between the tour. Left side the round garden, it's Charisma Garden. Speciality of the garden is color of the flower changes as per the costume of hero and heroine. हीरो हीरोइन जिस कलर के कॉस्ट्यूम पहनते हैं उस कलर का ओरिजिनल फ्लावर्स यहाँ पे ग्रो किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल रेड कॉस्ट्यूम, रेड ओरिजिनल फ्लावर्स आर ग्रोन देयर. येलो कॉस्ट्यूम, येलो फ्लावर्स. डायरेक्टर जब इन्फॉर्म करे लाइक 2 months पहले वो इन्फॉर्म करता है डिपार्टमेंट को एंड इट इज डन. एवरीवन हैज सीन RRR मूवी. RRR मूवी सबने देखा? लुक इन फ्रंट एंड बैक साइड ऑफ द बस. लुक एट दिस रोड. इस रोड को देखिए सभी. The foreign heroine's car tire puncture scene. RRR मूवी में foreign heroine का car tire puncture scene इसी रोड पे शूट किया गया है. On the left hand side is equipment department of Ramoji Film City. If the director wants any kind of equipment for shooting purpose, they borrow from your own rental basis. Now in front, सामने देखिए, at this location, Hrithik Roshan's statue was placed in Krish 3 movie. God, Allah or Bhagwan song has been shot here, and the bomb blasting scene, even that has been picturized at this location.
It's nice.
Right side is MP building, multi-purpose building. One building with 4 different elevations. एक building 4 elevation. One side Haveli and Palace, one side High Court, one side School University, and one side Library. You can see this in the famous Telugu and Tamil movie Chandramukhi, the Venkatapuram Palace. जॉली LLB में हाई कोर्ट की तरह दिखाया गया. सूर्यवंशम मूवी में हवेली, वही सूर्यवंशम जो सेट मार्क्स में 1 हफ्ते में 15 बार देती है. लुक इन फ्रंट, बस के सामने मगधीरा मूवी रामचरण's बाइक एंट्री सीन that has been shot on this road. Now on the right side behind the trees can you see a temple on top? मंदिर दिख रही है पेड़ के पीछे on the top. Can you guess which god or goddess temple is that? It's a godless temple. The god comes with the director and backs up with the director. You can see that in Chennai Express, Meen Amma temple. Do you remember the scene where Shah Rukh Khan lifted Deepika? वो गोद में उठा के सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ता है. On the right side the steps, सीढ़ियाँ दिख रही है right side पे? That has been shot at this location. In the movie it shows 300 steps. We only have 50. Left inside the white color structure. If painted complete white, it's Gurudwara. If painted golden, Amritsar's Golden Temple. We'll show Savya how to go inside. Welcome to North India. These all are North Indian settings. ये सारे हैं North Indian settings. Left side in front, सामने देखिए, it's बुलंद दरवाजा of फतेहपुर सिकरी. इतना बुलंद है 4 लोग धक्का देंगे वो गिर जाएगा। Fiber sheet, cardboard, plaster of Paris. Right side, you can see this in Gangubai Kathiawadi. लेफ्ट साइड नॉर्थ शॉपिंग यार्ड्स, यहाँ पे लॉकडाउन अभी तक चल रही है। ओनली ड्यूरिंग शूटिंग द शॉप्स आर ओपन, फिर शूटिंग के टाइम पे दुकानें खुलती है। Shantiniketan is a hotel, so we do have stay packages at Ramoji Film City, and Shantiniketan is one of them. Similarly, we have Tara Sitara, Sahara Greens Inn, and Vasundhara Villa. Left side, Kolkata Bengali typical house, also shown as Mumbai Ki Chawl. You can see this in Shyam Singh Roy, Dabang fighting scene, Bajrangi Bhaijaan में भी देख सकते हैं। Left side in front 3 flexible houses, one house with 4 elevations, एक घर 4 elevation, one side hero, one side heroine, one side comedian, one side villain. First one Attar and Tiki Daredi Sunanda's house, it's a Telugu movie. Second Kajal's Bulgaria house from the movie Dilwale, जय हो में भी देख सकते हैं। Last one is Prabhas house from the movie Rebel, Bodyguard में भी देख सकते हैं। So मूवी में दिखाते हैं ना, हीरो बैंगलोर में, हीरोइन दिल्ली में, they are in the same building, एक ही बिल्डिंग में रहते हैं। Left side is helipad, 3 helicopters can land here at a time. Now on the right side it's Ladies Central Jail. Can anyone guess why is it called Ladies Central Jail? Because inside there's a beauty parlor. You can see this in Jawan movie, Jawan में आप देख सकते हैं। Left side on the inside it's Mumbai Chor Bazaar from the movie बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ, अंदर की तरफ। शूटिंग के लिए प्रिपेयर किया जा रहा है, प्रिपेयर होने के बाद। Everyone has seen Nayak movie, एक दिन का CM, अनिल कपूर जी का। On the left side the yellow Mandua house, रानी मुखर्जी का घर, and Chandramukhi the dance master's house. Now look on both the sides everyone, दोनों तरफ देखिए। These are typical South village location. If the director wants to shoot any village scene, they spread the road with red soil. गाँव के सीन की शूटिंग करनी होती है, रोड पे लाल मिट्टी बिछाते हैं, तो बैलगाड़ी खड़ी करते हैं और गाँव की तरह दिखाते हैं। Very beautiful, right? Beautiful only from outside. Open the door and go inside. Directly jungle. There's nothing inside. अंदर कुछ भी नहीं रहता. It's only front elevation used for outdoor shooting purpose. On the right side everyone, right side पे देखिए। Corporate building of Ramoji Film City and head offices of ETV Bharat, E-Nadu Newspapers, Usha Kiran Movies Private Limited. ETV Bharat is a mobile application. You can download it in your mobile phone through Play Store. It's for free and it is available in 23 portals and 13 regional languages. So ETV Bharat अपने मोबाइल पे आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं प्ले स्टोर के थ्रू। 23 states and original buildings है सो ये। And E-Nadu is the largest circulated newspapers in the Telugu states. Everyone has seen Bahubali, right? Everyone knows Kattappa killed Bahubali, correct? Left side top everyone. That scene has been shot there on the top. उस scene की shooting वहाँ top पे की गई है। Now general information about Ramoji Film City. This land was purchased by Mr. late Ramoji Rao Garu in the year 1991. 1992 construction started. 1996 first movie shot here. Telugu movie Ma Nanaku Pelli, Hindi movie Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, and Hollywood movie The Nightfall. Tourism started in the year 1999 and we received the Guinness World Record certificate in the year 2006 for being the world's largest film studio complex spanning over 2,000 acres of land. Art director of Ramoji Film City, Mr. Nitish Roy, he's from West Bengal. and information regarding your tour. आपके tour के बारे में information. You will take maximum 3 hours to complete the whole tour. पूरा tour complete करने के लिए maximum 3 घंटे लगेंगे. In between the tour, you have to change of 6 connecting buses. Tour के दौरान 6 buses change करनी पड़ेंगी. Every location securities will be there to guide you. After the tour, you will be dropped back to Eureka. पूरे tour के बाद वापस Eureka पे drop किया जाएगा. 5:30 closing ceremony at Eureka Plaza area. And if you have missed the entertainment shows, Spirit of Ramoji show and Wild West Stunt show, the last timings will be 4 o'clock and 4:45 respectively. And if anyone still wants to have your lunch, at Bahubali set lunch will be available, so you can have your lunch at Bahubali. Right side, the green glass building, it is shown as pub set and club set in movies. Movies में pubs और clubs की तरह दिखाया जाता है. On the left side is railway station, one side city, one side village. एक तरफ गांव का, एक तरफ शहर का. Now we are entering into the central jail without any crime. So movies like The Warrior, Kaidi number 150, CID Musa, Triple R, DJ Tillu, Rockstar, Tere Naam, Drishyam, Police Gari, Flash, Thundale, Daku Maharaj. Lot of movies have been shot at this location. Right side is interrogation scene and hanging scene on the corner. So during shooting, the ideals are replaced with junior artists. Right side, तेरे नाम मूवी सलमान खान का मेंटल हॉस्पिटल. Left side everyone, Drishyam movies dead body hiding scene, the police station. Right side is village jail, गांव की जेल है. आज हैदराबाद की रहेगी, कल मुंबई की बन जाएगी. Just need to change the boards. Now front top everyone, सामने देखिए. It is Sahas, Asia's finest adventure land. So we do have adventure activities in Sahas. यहाँ पे adventure activities रहते हैं. 2 basic activities are complimentary and remaining will be chargeable. 2 basic activities free रहेंगी and बाकी chargeable. The 2 basic activities are sumo suit and happy hits. And after Bahubali set, you will be dropped at Sahas. Bahubali के बाद आपको Sahas पे drop किया जाएगा. Sahas closing time is 4:30. 4:30 बजे Sahas भी बंद हो जाएगा. Now the big buildings in front of you in both the sides, these are called as BSF, big shooting floors. We have total 10 BSFs, AC and non-AC. These are used for indoor shooting purpose. Indoor shooting के लिए इन buildings को use किया जाता है. The sets are made according to the director's script. So director के script के अनुसार अंदर sets बनाए जाते हैं. Similarly, like big shooting floors, we have medium shooting floors and small shooting floors as well. And now we are heading towards the mythological set. There you will experience how big shooting floors are made from inside. Big shooting floor अंदर से कैसे बनाया जाता है वो देखने जा रहे हैं. It's a permanent Ramayana and Mahabharat set and it is called as Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam set कहते हैं. This will be your first dropping point. ये आपका पहला dropping point. After seeing Bhagavatam set from the Bhagavatam exit, you will get the next bus in front for Bahubali set. भागवतम सेट देखने के बाद भागवतम के एग्जिट से सामने कनेक्टिंग बस मिलेगी बाहुबली के लिए. लेफ्ट साइड इज द